command and setting your goals. So we've logged in here to the home screen, and there's a couple different ways you can get to it. Some of you will see this green line across the top here that says set my 2021 goals. You can click on that button, or if you go over here and click on the red and white KW and it pops the menu out, then you can come down here and choose reports. This is the same way that you'll get to your goals after you've set them. So once that green bar has disappeared. So clicking on reports brings up your dashboard. Across the top here, you have several different tabs. We're going to go to goals. If you set your goals, you're going to see the numbers in here on this page. If you haven't set your goals yet, you can go up here to goal settings, or if you want to reset your goals that you already did, you can go up here to goal settings, click on the green button, brings up your Kelly guide. Now in here, you have set your goals and you have review your goals inside this guide. So we're going to go ahead and click get started. Brings up your Kelly guide, shows your preview over here on the left hand side. On the right hand side is where we're going to actually set your goals. So here it says you can set your goals for this year or the following year if you select that option. So right now we've got this year selected for 2021. You're going to just come down through here and fill in the fields. What's your 2021 annual profit goal? Okay, you can put down in here your annual profit goal. Let's say it's 100,000. It automatically calculates your expenses and cost of sales based on the MREA. You can come down here to business makeup, and at any time, if you don't know what one of these is, you can hover over the I and it'll tell you what it is. So this is the balance between sellers and buyers in your business. If it's a 50-50, if you're doing 50, you can come in here and change this to 60, change this one to 40. So you got 40% listings, 60% buyers. Your average commission per unit down here. Again, you can hover over this, it tells you what it is. Your listings bring in this, your buyers bring in this. This is average commissions. So if your average commission is, 6,500 and 6,500, you fill that in, click next. The next one is going to be your goal conversion rates. So we scroll over here and same thing, preview on the left-hand side, goals on the right-hand side. These are the default conversion rates are the benchmarks. So these are benchmarks across KW. So lead to contact, it's 5%. So to convert from a lead to a contact is 5%. If yours is higher, you can change that. If yours is lower, you can change it. Same thing on contacts to appointments, appointments set to appointments kept, and you just come on down under contract or pending to closed. If yours is higher, you can put in a higher one, say 80%. Under contract to pending, you can change that if you want. So once you've set these, you can either use the defaults or set your own. It shows them over here also in the preview side. So we go here and hit save and continue. Okay. Let's see here. Next. Okay. Step 3 is reviewing your goals. Here you're going to review your goals on this side. So it shows our conversion rates. It shows our GCI breakdown, 250,000 annual estimated GTI, because you put in your annual profit of 100,000 with sales or cost of sales and your operating expenses. Down here, you have your 40% listing, 60% buyer, and then it has your average commissions here. So once that's correct, you hit what's next. Okay. Then the what's next screen will take you to some different things. So there's some different training stuff here. You can do smart plans, you can go to reports, you can go to your command home screen, whatever you want to do. Or you can just come up here and click this X and it'll take you back to where you were. home screen. Then we go over here and we choose, we'll go back to our reports and view our goals. Okay, so we went back over. Now this is reset based on our 2021 goals. You got your filters here, show all this year, or you can look at last month. You can do a comparison, but it comes in here and tells you, okay, so your leads year to date, and it shows you your goal. So the goal for leads is 45,000. You're at 0% contacts. I'm at 2%. Appointments set 1%, and it shows you where you're at. So this shows you how many you have and what your goal is. And so you can see where you're at in your goals for this year. Your profit tracker shows 0 to 100,000. Your activities breakdown are down here. Your conversion rates are here. This year, this is what you've been doing. And then your GCI breakdown is here. So it shows 250,000 estimated total GCI, and then has your cost of sales and your operating expenses. Okay, so that is it for setting your goals. Again, there's two ways to get there. You can get there from the home screen, or you can click this goal setting button here.